Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you how you guys will create a video schema. So suppose that this is my page. For this page I have added a YouTube video. You can see. So I wanting to create a video schema for this video and for this specific page. So now we can start. So you guys can simply hit the keyword in Google SERP schema markup generator. You guys can see the first keyword is schema markup generator, and you guys will found the first result technicalseo.com. You guys can click over there, and after that you guys can search. You guys can go on schema generator tool, schema generator section, and after that you guys can pick your video schema. Here it is. So you guys can select this, and there you guys can add your video name. So we can open this video in next tab. So next tab is probably this is.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम हिमांशु है।
So okay, so you guys can add, copy your title, video title, and you guys can paste in the name section. For the video description, you guys can copy your video description. So this is a video description, and I have also added so backlink, how to create, yeah, this one. So we have added a description also. Then after that you guys can add upload date. So what is upload date of this video? So 2nd April 2024. So 2nd April, so June, March, April, yeah, 2nd April 2024. Then after that you guys can add a duration of this video. So how long is your video? So 2nd April, okay, so 5 minutes 28 seconds. So there we can add a 05 and 28 seconds, and after that you guys can add a thumbnail URL. So how you guys will found a thumbnail URL? So I have a source code, one code. So this is a code. So simply you guys can I can provide this code, this URL in the description section also. So there you guys can add your video ID. I will let you know guys how you guys will found your video ID. So this is my video, and you guys can see after what we call of this, what we can call this icon. I haven't idea. Okay, so you guys can see this is your video ID. So you guys can copy this, and you guys can paste it over there after vi slash, and I can show you guys how it's going to look like. So if you guys can open in next tab, so you can see this is your video, YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, so simply we can copy this code, and we can paste it in the thumbnail URL section. Okay, after that content URL. What is content URL? So content URL is your video URL. So you guys can copy your video URL, and you can paste it in this section, and after that you guys can add embedded URL. Embedded URL, simply you guys can right click on this video, and you guys can click to open copy embedded code, and you guys cannot paste this code directly in this section. I have let you know, I can let you know guys what you guys can do next. So simply you guys can paste your embedded code in the notepad, and you guys can copy after src. This is your embedded URL. You guys can see YouTube embedded slash, this is your embedded URL. Not required to, you guys can paste your full embedded code. Okay, and you guys can paste your embedded URL in the embedded URL section, and there you guys can add seek to action target URL. So which page you wanting to paste publish this code? So you guys can simply copy your page or post URL, page URL. Then after that you can paste it over there, and you guys can click to got it, And after that, if you're wanting to, you can verify your code as well. So there is if you guys can click on G button, so you guys can open a rich result test button, and after that you can validate your code. So you guys can simply click on test code button, and you guys can wait a couple of seconds. Then this tool will give you a validation, so this code is working properly or not. After that, you guys can paste this code on your pages where you for the which page you have created a video schema. Okay, so everything is working smooth properly. So after that, you can click on you can see there is one valid item detected, so you can click over there and you guys can see what is the issue. So issue is time invalid date time value for upload date. So this is optional, but we have added upload date. This is correct. So which date we have uploaded video, so we have added. So this is a temporary, this is not a issue. So this code will work properly, 100% properly work. Okay, determine the property upload date is missing the time zone. So we haven't added a time zone, so that's why these things are popping up. But this is not an error, this is optional. Okay, so we have created a schema. So after that, what we can do, simply we can click and we can paste this code on our page. So I'm building this website using of HTML Elementor. So you guys can paste this code anywhere whenever you want, but this is can make me convenient to if I wanting to find this code in future. So I can go to paste this code bottom of this video. So simply you guys can found HTML box, you can drag it and you can paste your code over there, and after that you can click to update button and view page, and after that you guys will show there is no any code are popping up. So this is the process of video schema generating. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.